In this example, we're going to be expressing radicals in their simplest form. So first we're going to look at root 72 or radical 72. And first you're going to have to rewrite it as a product of two radicals. One radical containing the largest possible perfect square number that divides evenly into 72. So this is kind of what it looks like right now. So you have to think of factors of 72, and one of those factors has to be a perfect square number, the largest one that you can possibly think of. Remember our perfect square numbers? They are 1, 4, 9, 16, right? 1 squared, 2 squared, 3 squared, 4 squared, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, 100, 121, 144, and so on. These are perfect square numbers. So what's the largest number from this list that divides evenly into 72? And that's what you have to think of. And that number is going to be 36. 36 times 2 is 72. Okay, so write 36, your perfect square number first, under the radical sign here, and the 2 following it. Now, since this is a perfect square, we can take the square root of it and end up with a whole number answer. Square root of 36 is 6. Okay. When we take the square root of 2, we don't get an integer. Okay, we don't get a whole number. We get a decimal. Okay, so to leave it as an exact answer, we're going to leave it as root 2. So the simplest form of root 72 is 6 root 2. Okay. Next, we're going to look at this mixed radical. Okay, we're going to have to rewrite root 27 as a product of two radicals. We still have the 5 in front. So now, think of the largest number out of the perfect square numbers in this list that will divide evenly into 27. That number is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. When I take the square root of 9, I get 3. Okay. And when I take the square root of 3, I don't get a whole number answer. So therefore, I'm going to leave it as a root. Multiplying the two integers here together, 5 times 3 is 15, followed by root 3. So 5 root 27 in those terms is 15 root 3. Let's look at the last one here. Rewriting root 20 as a product of two radicals, with one of the numbers under the radical sign being a perfect square. Be 4 and 5. Square root of 4 is 2. Root 5 doesn't give me a whole number, so I'll leave it as a radical. Negative 2 times 2 is negative 4, multiplied by root 5. So negative 2 root 20 in simplest form is negative 4 root 5.